Hey adventurers.
Hey.
This is Erin.
What's up?
It's her birthday. And we are hiking to
Mirror Lake.
taking the paved trail. Welcome to Yosemite National Park. Today we're hiking to the stunning Mirror Lake. This is one of the easiest and most scenic hikes in the park, and spoiler alert, it absolutely lives up to its name when the lake has water in it. When you Google Mirror Lake Yosemite, it shows you this pristine, glassy lake reflecting half dome like some kind of Bob Ross fever dream. But we showed up in June, and where's the lake, bestie? Apparently Mirror Lake goes through a seasonal identity crisis. Sometimes it's a lake, sometimes it's a sandbox. Either way, we did the hike, we had the snacks, we had a great time. So here's the thing, we were promised a lake, a mirror lake, like glassy, peaceful, Instagrammable vibes. What we got was a glorified puddle. Did we hike the 2 miles for this? Yes. Did we complain the entire way? Not exactly. So let's talk a little bit more about the trail. It starts near the Mirror Lake shuttle stop, or you can walk over from Curry Village. It is about 2 miles round trip if you just go to the lake and back, but it is mostly flat, partially paved, and super family friendly. Along the way, you're surrounded by towering granite walls, peaceful forests, and the sound of the Tenaya Creek running right beside you. And then there's this, stacks of rocks, also known as cairns. They look cool and lots of people stop to take photos, but here's the deal. In national parks like Yosemite, building rock cairns is discouraged unless it's done by rangers for navigational purposes. Stacking rocks can disrupt the natural environment, especially fragile ecosystems near creeks and riverbeds. If you see them, admire them, but resist the urge to add to them. The best way is to leave no trace is to let nature be wild and unarranged. So we came back from the secret rock garden, and all of a sudden we saw that my niece went full mountain goat. No hesitation, no fear, no problem. So I was like, psh, if she can do it, I'm gonna do it. I mean, how hard can it be? Turns out, it can be very hard. These knees were not built for this. These hips, expired. This is just your friendly reminder to know your own body's limits and be as safe as possible, because sometimes getting emergency personnel in the backcountry can take hours or days. And look, I may not be a real influencer, but I can sure influence some kids to climb on rocks anytime. Gotta train them young, know what I mean? If you've ever hiked with me before, you know at some point the trail is going to turn into a dance floor, and we had to bring those moves to Yosemite. Because why just walk across a bridge when you can dance across it?
Yeah, minha mãe sou killer, cê pode pede linha. Se te crescer no falou, eu te causo anemia. Assinando Gucci, fala, bitch, eu sempre fico em cima. Se você consegue alguém, você vira minha trilha sonora. Eu tô sempre na porta, ele quer me atravessar, ele não corta. Eu tô sempre na frente, nego, eu sou porta. Máquina, eu provoco toda hora, porque isso tudo na conta bancária. Lucrando pra caralho, essa é minha área. Não fala nas costas, fala na cara. Se fizer de novo, eu chuto tua lata. Seguro, bitch, mano, eu tô preso no beat. E terminando, clean, segura, bitch. mete uma Mac no pé. Eles meu vulgo sabe quem que é. Querem meu molho, mano, cê não é. Quando me vê, ele vai ter que ter fé. Conga freestyle vadia. Aqui nós troca noite pelo dia. Cala tua boca usando uma fita. Lock face no beat, nós é nunca.
This hike was supposed to be peaceful, and it was, just not for the people behind us. Zero regrets, 100% trail joy. This is your sign to take a dance break in the wild. How old is this tree? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, it's over 100 years old. Like, holy crap, that is amazing. I stopped counting. There was probably another 20, 30 years on it. Wow,
What do you think about that? Cool.
that's cool. Ooh, there's ants.
Before we get to our official trail reviews, don't forget to like, follow, and share this video with someone who'd absolutely join your trail conga crew. Thanks for watching! Okay, we made it back to the pavement. Erin, how do you rank the trail?
Oh, the trail was like a 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
Dano?
3,
3.
11-3.
Oh.
11-3.
Yeah.
Charlotte?
100 out of 10.
Okay.
16.
16. Miles?
For what?
What?
9.
Okay, great.
8.52.
8.52?
8.
Okay, what would make it better?
More dogs.
Colder?
Yeah.
Snow?